In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a field auto-populate in another table on Airtable, providing you with a full guide for 2025. First, grab your computer and open the web browser of your choice. To get things started, type Airtable into your search bar and hit Enter. This will take you to the Airtable homepage, a powerful tool for managing and organizing your data effortlessly. Once you're on the Airtable site, the next step is to log into your account. Enter your credentials carefully to access your workspace. If you've saved your login information, signing in should be a breeze. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your dashboard showing all your bases. From here, navigate to the base that contains the tables you want to work with. Click on it to open up the table where you want the data to appear automatically. The key here is to create a new field, and you'll want to ensure this field is of the type linked to another record. This feature allows tables within your base to communicate and share information effectively. Now that you've set up your linked record field, it's time to connect this field to the table containing the data you want to pull. In the linking process, select the correct table from the drop-down menu. This step is crucial as it ensures that you're pulling the right data into your current table. Once the table is linked, you can move on to creating a lookup field. Think of the lookup field as your bridge to information. It will serve as the mechanism that automatically fills in data from the linked table. To set this up, select the lookup field type when adding a new field. After creating the lookup field, you need to specify which piece of information from the linked table you wish to autofill. Click on the drop-down options, and you'll see all available fields from your linked table. Choose the specific field you want to populate into your current table. This targeted selection is how you tailor the data flow to fit your needs. Finally, it's time to see the magic happen. By linking a record in the linked record field, the lookup field will automatically pull the data from your chosen field in the linked record. This seamless connection ensures that your table dynamically updates with accurate and relevant information, saving you time and reducing the risk of errors. With these steps, you've successfully set up a system in Airtable where fields can auto-populate data from another table, enhancing your data management efficiency. Play around with different tables and fields to see how you can further streamline your workflows. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you leverage Airtable to its full potential.